Hi guys, join us for another live stream this Sunday, the 28th of April.
That's at 5:30 p.m. British summertime or 4:30 p.m. UTC.
We're doing all the usual good stuff with a free giveaway right at the end where you can win one of our projects or products. And we'll be doing all the usual sections with our vintage gaming, 3D prints of the week, projects of the week, moments of the week, some musical entertainment at the end, alongside the free giveaway with the duck race. The winning duck will win the free giveaway. And also, please do send us in. We've been getting loads of messages from people who have built our word clock, which you can buy on our Etsy shop.
Links are all in description.
Links are in the description. But we've seen some awesome adaptations and some awesome builds. And so if you guys have built something, it doesn't even have to be the word clock. If you've got a project and you want us to show it, then let us know. We can include it on our live stream. Anyways, hope you have a lovely rest of the week, and we'll see you on Sunday. Bye guys.